Good afternoon, everyone. IIM Calcutta Innovation Park was set up under the aegis of IIM Calcutta in 2014, and in line with the national mandate which an institution of national importance like IIM Calcutta had, we saw this initiative as an extension of contributing to the national priorities of building self-reliance amongst potential entrepreneurs, as well as creating a incubation platform and a platform which essentially would work to create ecosystem impact towards entrepreneurial activities in wide-ranging areas. While we are, IIM-CIP is recognized as a technology business incubator, one of the significant initiative or significant area in which in very short duration of its existence, less than a decade, this institution has been able to make a significant impact is the impact on ecosystem development on the social entrepreneurship side. The Tata Social Enterprise Challenge itself is one such initiative which started back in 2014 and which has been a key annual feature of IIM-CIP activities in able partnership with Tata Group, which essentially targets to foster innovation, especially in the social domain, and also it endeavored to identify most promising early stage social enterprises and create an ecosystem for social entrepreneurship, encouraging sustainable, scalable, and measurable social impact. And as part of this initiative, IIM-CIP in collaboration with Tata Group has been undertaking activities like conducting multi-city seminars, inviting entrepreneurs to participate in the challenge and identifying the most promising ones, and then providing mentorship and other support in order to help them achieve their or move forward towards their dream. Since its inception, it has been a very successful feature. On an average, each year, around 700 applicants vie for recognition through this initiative, including many from outside India. And the team conducts boot camps in multiple cities. Of course, this year, like in everything else in our life, the nature of interventions and activities have taken a kind of, or has been changed to suit the risks which the pandemic poses. But conducting boot camps, identifying potential teams, mentoring them, and then the event culminates in what we are seeing today. I would like to take this opportunity to kind of share some ideas or some information on the highlights of the achievement of IIM Calcutta Innovation Park. And I'm sure the chairman of IIM Calcutta Innovation Park board would also kind of add on to that in terms of our vision or the activities going in the future. In terms of ecosystem impact, the team has been able to create or execute around 160 plus events in last 8 odd years. Around 31,000 plus entrepreneurs have been engaged with. More than 3,500 have received mentoring of different sorts. The team includes around 150 plus mentors, have conducted 100 plus capacity building programs. In terms of social impact, more than 50,000 plus employment generation, 100,000 plus women empowerment outcomes, 200 startups incubation, and these activities spread across more than 20 states in the country. And in terms of financial impact in this short duration, the institution has funded 50 plus entrepreneurs. We are looking at a cumulative revenue of around 200 crore with those funded startups, and have raised more than 150 crore plus external funds for the activities, and around 14 crore plus in the seed funding. And we hope that with the encouragement from many of our partners, both corporate, government, and otherwise, and active support from our illustrious alumni, we would continue to make progress on the path which we have chosen, and would continue to move towards the vision of making contribution of creating a self-reliant India. Thank you.